Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at some LED lights that are replacements for reverse lights on a number of different car models. This one being a Cadillac XTS, but these were on Amazon, had some really good ratings, and they have a lot of features there as far as having the fuse built in so it doesn't give you the error messages within your dashboards, and has long life as well. But this one is for sockets 906, 912, 921. The one I have, which is W16W and T15. I think W5W is also in there, but again, pretty nice ones. They're going to be replacing the reverse lights on my Cadillac XTS, and that's going to be these guys down here. There is two of them. Currently it's more of a yellow bulb, halogens, but we'll see if we get a little bit more brightness and visibility with the rear camera having these replacement white one LEDs put in. So we will pop out the old ones here, the OEM bulbs, just by reaching underneath the rear fender here and pulling the plug out of the socket there that it has the assembly. Really just turn it counterclockwise, it should pop right out. Pull the bulb out, put the new one in, and we'll replace one of them and kind of take a look at the differences between it. Here's the OEM bulb on the right hand side and the replacement LED bulb here on the left hand side. And as you can see, it's got some built-in resistors, so hopefully we don't have any issues with the light remaining on in a real dim state all the time. Some people have complaints on that when they switch to LEDs, so we'll plug it in, figure it out, and see if it works. Okay, so here we go. We have the right bulb replaced with the LED, and you can see it's the white one there. The one on the left is the original OEM bulb. It's got more of the yellow tint to it. The LED white one is definitely much brighter, so hopefully we'll have a better visibility ability as we're backing up with the rear view camera. The yellow ones didn't really do a good job of that. So we're going to go ahead and replace the second one, and we'll show you a finished product. So here we have both of the LED lights installed, and as you can see, they are putting off a small light, very dim, very dim comparatively to what it should be, but even when they are off, they are currently on. You can see they're flashing a little bit as well. From what I'm reading here is the car is always sending a small amount of current through the vehicle wiring, normally to test the bulbs, and generally it won't be enough to heat the coil in a filament bulb, so you never really generally see it with a standard bulb, but with LEDs, even the smallest amount of energy will emit some sort of light. So it is actually not an issue because the car is always going to send that current through. You can fix it with a resistor added into this process here with the wiring, but if it doesn't bother you with the LED lights being dimly lit, or as you can see here flashing occasionally, it's not actually a big deal. It won't drain your battery any more than it normally would. So but let's go ahead and flash them on here, turn them on, so you can kind of see what it looks like with the lights installed there. But much brighter, as you can see there. Backing up should be much easier. I'll have to check it out at nighttime to see if the dimly lit bulbs as they're off is going to bother me or not, and if they are, I'll just switch them back. Perhaps maybe look into a resistor to put into the wiring. Not a huge fan of that just because I'm not don't want to mess around with wiring, but overall pretty cool. Hope it helps some of you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, as always, appreciate you watching. Until next time, take her easy.